Well, a very, very good evening. So I've come to Papri here. It's evening time. It's a quarter to 6. So I've come near this Sau River. So it looks very beautiful. So when there was no river, we could have crossed from here and then we can go cycling that side. But right now it is not possible. So it's evening time. I thought it may rain, so I didn't go very far. So there's my beautiful cycle here. So very peaceful, understood evening. I think this is the best time that you can really enjoy the majestic beauty, the nature, and then the river. This is a seasonal river, very active only during summer. But this year the rain was very less. So right now the flow of water is not much. Okay, take care, be happy.